Hey there, in today's quick video, we're going to talk about how to profit from PLR content. I'm Gary Baker with 30minutemarketing.net. Let's get into it. So, as marketers, we have to generate a lot of content to deliver our message to our target market. So, that is how we're going to go about profiting from PLR content. So, first and foremost, how to profit from PLR content is we're going to use that PLR to generate leads. So, we can do that in form of a giveaway. We can take the PLR and we can convert that PLR content into a physical product, aka a book, and sell that. We can use PLR content as research, which then in turn, we can take that research and create a letter, a newsletter, either a digital newsletter, maybe even a physical newsletter that we mail to our audience. Okay? So we could take that same research and PLR content and convert and add that content into our email autoresponder. So for example, we're using PLR to profit by generating leads. Well, once we generate those leads, we need to inform them. And one way to do that on a regular basis and automate it is through an autoresponder. So we could take that content, modify it, add our voice, make it sure it's driving home our message, and add it to our autoresponder, and then just you have those messages delivered automatically. Okay? This is a great way, and this is something that you could take, and once you do all those other methods that we talked about how to profit from PLR content, you could take that PLR content and repurpose it once again and create a YouTube video. Okay? And then of course, once you have all that research and all that infrastructure and you're generating all those leads, you can use PLR content and create your own paid info products. Okay? So the point here is you take all these methods of how to profit from PLR content and you generate leads, and you're taking it and you're crafting your own message to your audience. Okay? And then that is going to allow you to profit from PLR. So now that we have talked about how to profit from PLR, and of course, this is just, 8 quick methods that I ran through real quick just to sort of get the ideas flowing. And in the description and in the first comment, there'll be a link to an article at 30minutemarketing.net, which explains these in a lot more detail. So let's move on to where to find some PLR content and the difference in those PLR vendors. So here's an example of a great PLR vendor, Content Sparks. As you can see here, these items are delivered in 3 different formats: Flash content, Beacon content, Blaze content. As you can see right here, these are going to be different packages that of course have different price points. And as you can see from these price points, this is not what you would consider, cheap PLR. But the point is these are complete and ready to go. And again, all you're doing is you're just taking them, putting your logo on there, and just tweaking it to your voice and maybe some minor information that you may have to add. You go ahead and you add to that and you deliver it to your audience. Here is one that I personally use, Automated List Profits. Now this is geared towards the internet marketing, make money online niche. And these are, this is a membership, monthly membership where you get 2 PLR complete packs, as you can see here. And inside of those packs, you get a squeeze page, you get a report, and you also get emails to load up in an autoresponder. And those are fully customizable as documents, and you can save those as PDF and use them for lead generation, as we talked about earlier in the slideshow, how to profit from PLR. Now, these first 2 examples, Content Sparks and Automated List Profits, are really high quality products. PLR Assassin is a PLR database. Now, not that the products in here aren't high quality, but the simple fact is that for a lower monthly price, you're going to have access to a lot more. So the quality, because of the quantity, is going to fall off a little bit. It's going to drop off at the edge. There's just no way around it. So you may have to spend a little more time going through these PLR products from a site like PLR Assassin, which is a PLR database, but it is definitely worth it. So make sure you check that out. All right. So again, this has been Gary Baker with 30minutemarketing.net. Real quick, I just wanted to talk about how to profit from PLR content to make sure to get these ideas out to you so you can understand that, There's lots of ways to use PLR other than the concept of, oh, I'm just going to buy a piece of PLR and just copy paste. Of course, that doesn't work. A lot of people try it. A lot of people fail doing it. So again, I hope this video has been helpful. I know it was quick, but I just wanted to try to drive home the point of how to profit from PLR content. Again, Gary Baker with 30minutemarketing.net. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and check out those PLR resources that I'll leave in the description in the first comment below. All right. Thank you for your time, and I will talk to you later. Bye.